Here is what we have today.
Breaking news. Namuhla sivuka ngeindaba zokuthi uDr Mbuyiseni Ndlozi uresignile as kwi-EFF na as a member of parliament. Sanibona, sengikhohle ukubingelela. Zokhumbula ukuthi i-EFF beyinomhlangano, bene-conference i-NPA, National People's Assembly, la beyokhetha khona ubuholi be-EFF. Kodwa uDr Mbuyiseni Ndlozi ubengesiyingxenye yaleyo conference leyo. Okwenza ukuthi abantu bazibuza imibuzo eminingi ukuthi uphi uNdlozi. Base bethi cha akubuzwe kumalema, mhlambe uzoba nempendulo ukuthi uphi uDr Mbuyiseni Ndlozi. Empendulweni yakhe ke aphendula ngayo yasenza sazibuza imibuzo eminingi ngoba khona ama speculations amaningi. Abanye baze bathi hayi uDr Mbuyiseni Ndlozi uzoshiya yojoina iMK party, abanye bathi ngathi uzobuyela kuANC. Angifuni ngena lo, kodwa ke nansi impendulo kaJulius Malema ayisho ngesikhathi ebuzwa ngoDr Mbuyiseni Ndlozi.
We're not going to answer the question about Mbuyiseni Ndlozi. You've got his number and some of you talk to him, call him. I'm not responsible for Mbuyiseni Ndlozi. 90% of the people who were here, who expected to be here, are here. That's what matters. Whoever is not here was not supposed to be here from the beginning. So you are not going to reduce this organization to some individual. We are going to refuse that. We are going to refuse that. We gave a very long political report yesterday, like 80 pages. It didn't have such names. You are intellectually so inferior that you can't even engage with that document, and then you bring gossip. We must be monitoring movements of individuals. Why concern about one person over so many people who are here? As if he is the conference. As if he's not here, conference will not happen. It's going to happen, it's happening without him. It's not here. I heard people say he's here, he's doing this. He's not here. He's not here. And it's not our interest to entertain such nonsense. It's not our interest. We're dealing with political issues here, not egoism, not people who think they are bigger than this organization. It will show them once again that it's bigger than all of them. So we as a matter of principle, SG and policy position, we're no longer going to answer any nonsense about Mbuyiseni Ndlozi. Never. When a journalist asks you that question, you must say, ask another question. You can be smarter than that. Ask something else.
Yona ke impendulo le uJulius Malema apha yona intatheli uma bembuza ukuthi uphi uDr Mbuyiseni Ndlozi. Ngokuzwa nje lempendulo kwakusolisa khona ukuthi hayi shutha kuzwene kahle noma kunenkinga, ngoba phela ngeke uyi-leader ungazi ukuthi umuntu kuphi. Uma engekho ufuna ngaba kubikele njenge-leader, kube nawathi angimazi kwaphelela lapho kwabe nje uqede. Kodwa lento asezikhulumile wakhuluma ukuthi yena le organization is bigger than an individual, isipha thina omunye umqondo. Ingakho ngithi angiyidlale le nkulumo kaJulius ngaphambi bangifunda istatement esikhishwe yi-EFF. Nasi ke statement esikhishwe yi-EFF namuhla ekseni sifundeka kanje. Le statement isireleaswe Thursday nge-9 January 2025 sifundeka kanje. The Economic Freedom Fighters, EFF, has received the voluntary resignation of fighter Yazini Tejani and fighter Dr. Mbuyiseni Ndlozi as representatives of the EFF in the Parliament of South Africa. The voluntary request to be released from deployment, which were sent to the Secretary General of the EFF consecutively and within days of each other, expressed gratitude to the EFF for the opportunity to serve the organization and the people of South Africa. The EFF has accepted the respective voluntary request to be released from deployment of the two fighters who have diligently served the organization in their respective deployments since the EFF has had representation in the legislative sphere. Fighter Tejani has served in the Eastern Cape Provincial Legislature and subsequently the Parliament of South Africa, while fighter Dr. Mbuyiseni Ndlovu has served in the National Assembly since 2014. They have both been exemplary in the deployment and acted as commendable public representatives. The EFF wishes the fighters well in their future endeavors. Iyona letha ke le ekhishwe i-EFF njengoba uyibona. Ungixolela ke kulaba angafundanga kahle kubo. Isilungu sibuye singihlule kancane. Nababelungu futhi abakwazi ukufunda ulimi lwami. Iyona letha le ekhishwe i-EFF esho ukuthi i-EFF ithole i-voluntary letter esho ukuthi uDr. Mbuyiseni Ndlovu kanye noYazini Thetswana baya resign. Ngakho ke bayemukele resignation yabo, babafisela impumelelo ke entweni abazozama ukuya phambili. Kodwa abacacisile ukuthi uThetswana ubeseva yena e-Eastern Cape Provincial Legislature nase Parliament, kanti uDr. Mbuyiseni Ndlovu ubeseva kwi-National Assembly Parliament kusuka ngo-2014. Izona indaba ke lezi ngithe angizilethe phambi kwenu okwe-breaking news. Ngiyacela ukuza umbono wakho ngalezi indaba ezenzakalayo ku-comment section. Commente, ulike, ushare, usubscribe kuleli page, kule channel ukuze ikhule le channel. Ngiyabonga kakhulu kwasebe subscribeile. Okwamanje ngiphelela la. Ngethemba lokuthi mina nawe sohlangana kwi-video elandelayo.